So most people have been watching Gen AI as spectators, but when it comes to actually doing things with AI, they're unable to do so. It's because over my time taking these online courses and doing a bunch of different modalities in order to train students, I feel that the most value comes from real boot camps that span over 6 to 7 weeks and make students do things that the instructor does on the screen. So, and I've been doing this for 1.5 years, and the impact that it has on my students, the amount of projects that they're able to build via these boot camps has been insane. So my goal with the bootcamp that I'm launching now is to do the same thing. I'm introducing this 6-week bootcamp that takes you from zero to actually understanding AI. If you're from zero, that is. If you're not, then it gives you like a clear understanding of AI to actually taking you to a point where you can build with AI. So we're talking about real projects that include like full stack applications, your portfolio website, agentic systems, design systems, systems that help you make your own systems on tools like Claude, ChatGPT even better. So this will have 12 sessions every Sunday and Saturday, and we are aiming for a smaller cohort for around 100 people max. So you actually get attention and not recorded lectures, which in my opinion do good but don't deliver as much value as real sessions. Now, over my time teaching Gen AI, I believe I've crossed around 350 students overall, offline classes and real classes, boot camps, workshops. I've done all sorts of modalities, and I feel boot camp is the best way to deliver value. And by the end, you will have some real projects to show, right? So in the boot camp itself, you have your Python automation, full stack websites, and systems for social media, automation systems with Langflow in it, and Claude Cowork, Claude Design, Skills, MCP, and so on and so forth. And on top of all of this, we also do capstone. So capstone allows you to pick your own product and build it along with the bootcamp. So by the end of the bootcamp, you have something of value to show to your students. So there is a lot of value in this bootcamp, and you don't need a prior CS degree. You don't need prior high education or other decent even experience in AI in order to take this bootcamp. So your goal is to just show up, listen, and build with me in the bootcamp. Our next cohort comes in August, and early bird pricing is effective for the next month. If you're interested, please enroll for the bootcamp, and I'll be so happy to see you on the other side. Thank you so much.